This baby impala found himself a target of a ravenous pack of wild dogs. After capturing him, they immediately started shredding his flesh. They cut the poor baby's belly and viciously bit him off, extracting his guts and devouring anything that fits in their mouths. The helpless victim was taken between their jaws, and they started tearing her apart and dismembering her, each claiming his portion of the impala's meat. But their prey was far from enough to satiate the hunger of the pack. After finishing off their appetizer, they patrolled the area. And one of the dogs succeeded to capture an adult impala. Such a catch would make an end to his hunger, and so he started biting her. She attempted to get up and flee, but she couldn't evade the murderous dog's brutal attacks. His razor-sharp teeth had little issue piercing into the impala's flesh and smashing her bones before devouring her insides. Lamentably, the impala was pregnant, carrying an unborn baby in her womb. While they were feasting on her, a wild dog pulled her fetus out of her womb, carried it in his jaws, and left the crime scene. What a pitiful sighting. These monstrous wild dogs captured the back of an impala. The pack surrounded her and started attacking her body, chewing off her rear parts of her body and her limbs in turns, trying to cripple her and prevent her from escaping. Their sharp canines sliced her abdomen, and they snatched the unborn impala out of her womb and began ripping him off. The mother remained on the ground, helpless and tormented by the sight of her baby being devoured by the pack of wild dogs. Nothing she could do was capable of stopping the massacre, and so she watched in agony before surrendering to doom.